Hello and welcome to Sudoku. Here is a Mathrax Sudoku puzzle that was composed by Dutch author Arvid Baars, and it was featured in the round 5 of the recent Sudoku Grand Prix round. Okay, so it's Mathrax, meaning that all these circles with a number and an operation give the result of that operation applied on each diagonal. And this E means those are even digits. And that's the rule. Okay, so where do we start? This plus 6 means that on some diagonal we have 1 plus 5, and on the other diagonal we have 2 plus 4. So we know the 4 digits here. Here we have on one diagonal 2 times 6 and 3 times 4 on the other diagonal. So we know the 4 digits. And you see that 2 and 4 are not here. They are not there. So we have 2 and 4 somewhere in those 3 cells. 3 minus has many options. Let's have a look. Here we know we have all 4 even digits. So now we have all 5 odd digits here. And 2 of them here must give a difference of 7. Differences of 7 are 9 minus 2 and 8 minus 1. So we get a 1-9 pair here and a 2-8 pair here. And I just note this in this fashion so that we know which goes with which. And now this 8 says that this 13 clue has only 2 options, which are 4 plus 9 and 6 plus 7. So these digits are in these 4 cells, and here we get 1, 3, 5 triple. And now let's remember that this is an odd digit. It's not 1, 9, 3 or 5, so this is a 7, and we get a 3-5 pair here. Okay. Then let's have a look at this 36. On some diagonal we must have 6 times 6 and 4 times 9 on the other diagonal. And the fact that there is a 9 here means that 9 is on this side together with a 6, and we get this on the other side. And now, because of this 5 minus, we get 1 or 4 here. This 15 will be on one diagonal 6 plus 9 and 7 plus 8 on the other. And we know there's a 6 here. So 6 has to be on top, and 9 has to be under, at the bottom. And so this is not a 9, that's a 6, that's a 9. We get this 4, we get this 6 and this 4. And now this 6 says that this is a 1, and 6 is on the right. Get 6 here, 9 there, and 7, 8 on the other diagonal. And this is 3 or 5, which gives us a 3-5 pair on this column. Next, what do we have? This 5 minus. So the other diagonal will feature 7 or 8 with 2 or 3. And you see that neither 2 or 8 is here, so it has to be 3 or 7 together with 8 or 2. But this can't be an 8 because this sees both digits here, and one of them is 8. So this one is a 2, and this one is a 7, and now that's an 8, and that's a 7. We know that those are 1, 5, 2, 4. 9 is not here, 9 is there, and the remaining digits are 3 and 8. So now 3 is not here, and because of this 3 is not there, so 3 has to be here, and we know that 3 is here, together with a 6, and we noted that 2 and 4 had to be there. So this one must be 5 or 1 or 7. Well, that's not so interesting. Here we need 1, 5 and 8. This can't be a 5, it has to be 1 or 8. And with this division by 2, this will be 2 or 4. But 2 wouldn't work in a 13 sum, so this is a 4. And it gives 9 on the other end of the diagonal, and this 6 puts the 6 here and the 7 there. And this 9 here resolves this 2 by 2 box. 8 minus 1, 9 minus 2, it works. And now this is not a 1, it can still be a 7 or a 5. But first, let's note that 2 and 6 are not here, therefore they're at the bottom, with 4 and 8 at the top. Now those are 5 and 7, still working, except that this 4 disambiguates stuff. This is a 2, that's a 4, so we get this 5 and this 7. And this division by 2 makes this an 8. And this can't be a 4, obviously, so it has to be a 1. And those ones give a 1 here. On this row we still need a 1. And at the bottom we need 8 and 9. Here we get 1 and 5. And knowing those 4 digits, we still need 7 and 9. And because of this 7, we put them this way, which makes this an 8, this a 9, this a 3, and this an 8. We're getting there. 1, 1. This is a 1 with a 5. And 2 and 4 on the other diagonal. This 5 resolves the 3-5 pair. And here we need 3, 4 and 5. There's a 4 here. And there's a 4 here, so that's a 2, that's a 4. 3, 4, 5. Here we need 2 and 7. 6 here is not there. It's not there, so it goes here on this row. On this column, I still need 3, 4, and 5. So this is not known. Here I need 2 and 9. There's a 9 here. It gives a 1 here and a 5 there. Up there, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 here, 6, 7 pair. There are 3 and 5. So, what do we get here? There's a 9 somewhere, and actually by Sudoku it's here, with a 4. It gives the 4-8 pair. 2, 3, 5. This can only be a 2 with a 7. 3 or 5 here. Okay, we get the 6, the 7, the 2, the 6. And those now are 1 and 8. This one gives 5 here, 1 there. This 7 gives 2 here, 7 there. Let's have a look at this. 2, 2. This one is a 2, 6, and 4 and 3 by Sudoku. That's a 3. And the last digits just fall into place. On the 4th column, no, on top I need 3 and 4, and here 4 and 8. And this finishes the solve of this Mathrax Sudoku puzzle, which was very well organized, and I think it was not very difficult, which is perfect for 43 points, and I really like this puzzle. Well, as a general rule, I really enjoyed this Sudoku Grand Prix round. Thanks for watching this video, and see you soon on Sudoku.